Yo, what's up, guys? Shirts off, tits out. We got a new gym workout routine that I made on Excel. It's very colorful. It's nice. We're gonna check it out. So, yeah, here we go. We're on the screen here on Excel. I love Excel. I just gotta point that out. It's like such a powerful tool. Anyways, so I was thinking, my previous routine, I was just doing chest and back, and then legs and shoulders, and then just like alternating each day, and then throwing in cardio randomly. So I feel like I need to do more intense, I need to bring up the intensity in my workouts so I can break down my muscle fibers and actually like gain muscle, because obviously it ain't working out what I'm doing. I've been doing it for 60 days and I still look like this. Oh man, that's terrible. So yeah. I was thinking for Monday to do legs and shoulders, right? So we got 3x9, 3 sets of 9 reps for back squat. So I'm gonna increase the reps because right now I've been doing only 5 reps for everything, and I feel like multiples of 3s are good. So I'm gonna go 3x9. Barbell lunges. I'm gonna do 3 sets of just walking down the pathway with the barbell lunge. Hip thrust 3x9, calf raises 3x15, and then shoulders just 3x9 military press. So I'm obviously gonna have to reduce the weight, but I feel like I shouldn't focus too much on the number, like the weight number. I should actually focus on developing the muscle, because I feel like if I'm just focusing on the weight, I'm gonna lose the form and not gain the muscle like I'm doing now. So yeah. Tuesday we're going to do chest and tries. So we're going to do flat bench, incline bench, decline bench, which I haven't been doing, but I have decline. The bench is capable of decline, so might as well throw it in there. And then close grip bench for triceps, and then a tricep plate, 45 plate, just like putting it behind the head. I never tried it before. I'm sure I can do it. It's only 45. So we're going to do that. All that 3x9. So that's obviously going to be super intense on the chest and then the triceps as well. So I feel like that's better. So I was given advice to separate the squats and the deadlifts. And it makes sense because last time when I did deadlifts and then my form was a little off, and then I did squats, I almost died doing squats because I couldn't do it and the weight like fell on me. So we're going to do legs, so squats, all the heavy stuff, and then separate it with a chest and tries day, and then go to back and buys. All right. So yeah, for back and buys, we're doing deadlifts. So again, I'm going 3x9, so I'm gonna reduce the weight so I can get to that 9 reps. Bent over rows, same thing. Barbell curls, and then so the thing is, I don't have too much equipment for curling. Like I only have the barbell and the weights, right? So I'm thinking of doing just like a straight barbell curl, and then maybe try like a variation with my arms out or like closer in. I'm gonna see like what's better. I could also just put like a 25 in each hand and just curl those, like a 25 plate, or maybe I should just buy some dumbbells. I don't know. I kind of spent too much money already on the home gym, so we're just gonna stick with that for now. Next I got so after that, it's just the same thing again. So legs, chest, back. And then Sunday is going to be cardio and abs, which I need, as you can tell. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, yeah, like I was saying, I already spent too much money on the home gym, so I'll probably hold on for the dumbbells. And then try to figure out my form and the routines and the schedule, get that going. The thing is, I'm probably not going to go back to the gym. So I went to Good Life before all like the pandemic stuff. I almost said the word. But it's not like I'm getting monetized anyway. So yeah, because of COVID. So yeah, I'm probably not going to go back to the gym because I have all the equipment anyways. And having everything at home, it's way easier to work out and like stick to a schedule, because like for me, my gym was like 45 minutes away from my house, so I was like just going to the gym after work because it was on the way. So on the weekends I wouldn't go to the gym because it's like 45 minutes away. It's like kind of a waste of time. So now, working out at home where I have most of the things required, most of the equipment, I'm going to work out every day, and it should be better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, I'm not too technical here with like the numbers of like how much I'm actually going to be lifting. I want to get into that later, get into more details as I try this workout routine further. The thing is, today is Sunday, and I did cardio yesterday because it was raining. Is it still raining? It's not raining anymore. So what should I do for today? Because I can't really do back today if I'm going to do my heavy squat day tomorrow, like legs. Maybe I'll do arms and cardio today. Yeah, I'll do arms and cardio today. I'm probably going to link it, or it might be in the same video. So yeah, cool. Arms and cardio. Peace.